In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap your face or your body with any character of your choice. Open your browser and head on to Kling AI. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you don't have enough credits, you can go on and purchase 330 credits for just $5. If you don't want to purchase any credits, they give 72 credits every day for free. So you can use that as like a free trial. Now, next thing, you go ahead and look for motion control. If it's not on the main page, you go to the left side, you scroll down, you see generate, click on it and look for motion control again and click on it. So after you click on it, you select the engine that you want. I recommend the 3.0 because that's the latest one, and go ahead and select that. Now here you can add a video of your character, the one you want to mimic. And the next place is the image of the character, like the image character, the one you want to use to create the mimicking. So down there, you can see two options down there. The first one is used when you want better movement. And the second one is used when you want better camera movement. So either a character movement or camera movement. First is character movement. Second is camera movement. Next thing, you go ahead and select your mode, either 720p or 1080p, depending on the quality you want and the number of outputs that you want. And you go ahead and hit generate. So as a quick example, I'm going to add a video I want to mimic and then the character image I want to use. So these are the ones I'm going to use. And now that I have uploaded everything, I can go ahead and hit generate and generate it. And at the end, it's going to look like this. If you want free motion control alternatives, comment free inside the comment section and I will send over free options you can use apart from Kling. If Kling is not working out, so you can also use the other options. The link for this is also attached in the comment section. You can use that link and you get a discount on any purchase you make on the website.